Dear mama, love you mama. So good.
How's it going, YouTube? So today we have some special plans with my sister here, Adriana. I'm Adrian, also known as Daka. But today we have some special plans to go shopping. But especially for me, it's special because we're gonna go Gucci shopping. And I'm basically obsessed with Gucci. I want Gucci. And today, hopefully that'll change and I'll get my first item from Gucci. And hopefully, I'm not gonna tell you what I get. I'm gonna show you what I get and then explain to you how much it is or anything. Maybe you guys, maybe people who are obsessed with Gucci already probably know how much it is. But if you're thinking about Gucci and you don't have Gucci already, I'm gonna let you know how much it is, and just in case you want whatever I'm getting. But before I go, please like, subscribe, and comment this channel. Comment what you want to see in future videos. That would be really helpful, so I have plans on the other videos I make. And yeah, let's get to it. So guys, we just got out of the mall. I had a shopping trip. I got my Gucci right here. It's honestly one of the best feelings ever. Oh no, the car's right here, bro.
Sorry guys.
I highly recommend buying stuff from Gucci. Like, if you haven't bought anything else from Gucci before, it's like the best feeling ever. Hey, I got my Gucci. My sister also got something. You want to show what you got? She didn't get it from Gucci though. She got a Michael.
Wallet from Michael Kors. Okay, I'll show you what you got. That's okay. All right. So I don't like purses, but I like wristlets, and I got this. It's so cute. And I don't know. I don't like purses, but it's got like everything you need in it. Like, it's got like zippers, and I only carry money on me. I don't really carry. I carry like one card on me, but I carry a lot of money on me, so I need like a lot of money.
Now it's time for the Gucci. So basically, when you get your receipt, you get a little packet like this, and then it's basically the bag. The bag itself feels like it's like $15. But now time for the main thing you guys been wanting to look for. It's the Gucci. And put it back there. Here it is. This is the box it comes in. Looking fresh, looking nice. Can't go wrong with this. Basically, how am I gonna open this, bro? Come on. You guys been wondering what I bought from Gucci? This is it. This wasn't what I wanted to buy. Well, at least not this type. But you know, I kind of fell in love with this one. I saw myself in these ones more. Let's take this box off. Oh my god. Bro, smell that. It smells like Gucci. That's what it smells like. Now, let's see what I got. I got these Gucci slides. These are looking nice and fresh. And I've been needing slides. I'm down here in Florida right now. Didn't bring any slides. Really need them. They're really nice. You guys are wondering how much they are. They're $2.90, but Gucci has a 7% tax, which is like $20. So I bought them for, how much did I buy? $3.10. I got them for $3.10. This is the bag. They give you two separate bags for your Gucci flip-flops, or slides, I guess. Two separate bags, so you can put each one in one. Yeah, and that's it. Other than whatever these are, I really don't know what these are. But yeah, that's basically it when it comes to the Gucci. When anything you buy from Gucci, I guess, or especially these slides. But other than that, that's basically it for Gucci. So, if y'all enjoyed this video, please subscribe, comment, and like it, especially. What else, Anna? Oh, this is what I was gonna say. I was gonna say that I don't know if I'm gonna be vlogging every day or not, but this is probably be an every other day thing. I have a lot more ideas for other videos. They're not all gonna be vlogs. Most of them are gonna be like story times, stuff like that.
A little bit of everything.
Yeah, a little bit of everything, basically talking to people. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll legit do anything on this channel to make you guys happy. Yeah, that's it.